We are at our first port of call, and this is St. Thomas in the Virgin Islands, which were the only Caribbean Danish colony. Okay, I was lucky I got a minivan. There was a little kerfuffle with the first, the first place, but we got it all fixed, and now I got a minivan. Our first stop is here in Frenchtown, and the quaint French Heritage Museum detailing the French influence here on the island. And we're getting a nice tour.
We had a lot of flooding anyway, so it was a good thing that it was being done.
Can you tell me about your mom and papa?
Ma grand-mère au père était de Saint-Bat. Mon mère et papa de aquí. I speak French. I speak Spanish.
I can speak Spanish.
It's from here in St. Thomas. My parents are all born here.
Crossroads of the Western Hemisphere. Its beautiful port and haven for ships of every
From the
kind.
30s.
In the days of wind and sail, it was a midway point for supplies on long
And we'd be missing the point of Frenchtown. Here's another French flag. If we did not come to the fishing marina, because this is what Frenchtown was built on. So I am digging all of these solar panels, but also just the artistic flow of them. Oh, I hear goats up there too. Oh, there they are. Solar goats. They've got, in addition to the neighborhood solar, the giant generators. There it is, my brother's workshop. Look at this.
And a forklift. So
Whoa.
this is mostly for our workshop students, the ones who are going to go in, who are interested in going into heavy equipment.
Skid
So
steer.
that's why it's not in use right now.
Ethan will want to stay here.
It's so fun. It's really fun. You get on there, the sound, the controllers are exactly like
Oh my
like
gosh.
real equipment, so it
Oh, the
saves-
little pedals.
Yeah. Work on glue ups and sanding, and then we have laser engravers and CNC routers over there.
So we're ready to go to the kitchen, and we've got Gus and Gabe here. Hello. Hey there, buds.
Yes. So we built this kitchen in a way that everybody in the disaster can respond. So this is a disaster build where
The biggest whisks ever. And then here is the retail store with all of the yummy treats. And the secret ingredient is love.
because our carnival was in May. So
And this is our lunch spot, Brooks Bar. I would say very delicious, authentic local food right here on the mountainside. Brooks Bar, open till 11 p.m. All right, we're here at Brooks Brothers. This is the menu. We're gonna get some local. Say hi. And hi. We are on the side of the mountain. We're gonna have some good, tasty foods. All right, so lunch is served. The portions are huge. Conch, what is the green stuff? Fungus.
Yeah.
We got the
Grilled shrimp with
Grilled shrimp.
the
sweet potato stuffing and the curry chicken and more curry chicken. Look good. And look at that. Wow. So Carl here is very eagerly eyeing Ethan, who has the fish. There's William taking a photo from Drake's seat spot. And that's the view in my side view mirror. And off to the left, I see some cruise ships. And I spy Icon of the Seas. There. All right, here is the St. Thomas Airport. It's so accessible here. You can just see right down the runway.
Here comes the plane. Wow.
There's a plane coming.
Yeah.
All right, we're here at the airport in front of the University. Delta has just arrived. They've got their 5 little gates, remote stands.
The population here.
University. Here is Fort Christian, the oldest standing structure in the Virgin Islands. National Historic Landmark. All right, those are the 99 steps going up to the Hotel 1829. And this is Emancipation Garden there.
Little souvenir plaza.
I see a little chicken family with the mom and the dad and the baby chicken here in front of the government building. So I love these traditional food trucks. It's just regular pickup truck. This is Rudy's Snow Cones. There's Rudy. All right, so I dropped off the car. So the funny thing is that this was not the original place that I had reserved from. But that place just like forgot about me. They didn't call until noon, and then that was just to be like, oh, we don't have the car. So this place is the closest to the cruise port. And so I go there, it's just a mechanic shop. And so he's like, oh, I'm vacuuming out the car. And so we're standing there, I'm like, do you want a copy of my license? He's like, okay. And he gets the credit card machine out and he charges me. And he copies my license and writes my phone number on it. And that's it. I just left. Like, I noticed that the gas was at a half a tank. And so I put $30 in it because I felt like that ought to be right. But I just dropped it off. And the mechanics were like, leave the key in it. And that was it. All done. So 5-star experience there at the car rental place. Anyway, a lovely visit to St. Thomas. And there's the ship. So that's how close this place is. You can easily see the ship. Hello, Icon.